Hello everyone. I wanted to give you a brief tutorial on how to use our Blackboard and how to use our schedule going forward in our SE305 Communication Skills for the Exceptional Learner class. All right, so I turned my student preview on and I went to the main page and this is what pops up. If I go into, well, first thing, Start Here Documents is going to take you to the syllabus and the course schedule. When you click on the course schedule, you'll get this document that pops up. It's got every day that all your due dates. It's also got what activities are being scored in each module. As you scroll down, you see the due dates are every 5 or 6 days. It's not once a week since we are in a condensed summer course. But you'll see that this module 2 has the most activities due, 350-point activities. In the rest of them, there's 2. And when we get down to the end of the course, since the due date for Module 7 and the due date for the final exam are just a day or two apart, there's only 1 in each. Okay, so that's how I'm going to use the schedule. This is what we go by for our deadlines right here. Okay, so getting started, I'm going to click on my learning modules. And in my learning modules, I see that each one of these is labeled. I'm going to choose Learning Module 1, and it will show you a few things. I'm going to enlarge this on my screen. Okay. So it'll show you a couple of things about where the help desk is located and all that good stuff. You'll get an overview of what we're trying to learn this particular time. You'll get a list of the activities. Now, they're written in red, so you're going to have 2 activities due in Module 1, an introductory SNAP activity and a Module 1 Kevin case study discussion. In both of these, you're going to reply to at least 2 of your peers. I'll show you the information. All right. So in the introductory SNAP, you see I give you a couple of things. Go to canva.com. If you have not already signed up, log in for free. Use your UWA username and password, however you want to do that for Canva. Once you've created an account or logged into yours, on the sign in the very beginning, and I will show you what a copy of that looks like. Okay, that's what it'll look like. It'll say, what will you design today? And you're going to click right there on social media. We're not uploading anything to social media. We're just creating something from that particular style. Okay, so back to, all right, I'm going to create my post with 1 word describing your feeling about teaching students with disabilities in your class. You're going to post the link. You're not going to post a file that loads as a download attachment. If you'll look when you get ready to post your post, you're going to see a little circle with a plus button. Click that and it will let you upload your file. You'll see the picture. You won't just see a link. You respond to at least 3 of your classmates, or at least 2 of your classmates after you've listed 3 things about yourself. Here's mine. Real simple, little bouncing soccer ball and prepared. Okay. All right. To make your snap, there's my little 3-minute video that walks you through every single step. Take a moment, click through that, let it show you how to do it, and you won't have any troubles at all. Uploading it correctly is part of the grading rubric. When you get ready to start, you'll click to launch right here, and it will show you that you have to create a thread first. Once you create your thread, you'll be able to post your picture and type 3 things about yourself and then comment on other people's. Down at the bottom, you'll have grading information. There'll be a grading rubric over to the side, and it will show you how you're posting. Did you post it correctly? Was your post on time? It's easy to make hundreds in my class, 100%, if you follow the grading rubric and make sure that you grade yourself as you go to make sure that you have done everything in the proficient box, and you will score your points and you won't have to wonder what I'm looking for. It's right here on every activity. Okay, so backing us out of that, let me go back to learning modules. We'll go back to learning module 1, and now the second one we'll do is the case study about Kevin. Your information is right here. Down at the bottom, it gives you the case study about Kevin. This comes from the textbook, so make sure that you're reading as you go through, and it will help you come up with the ideas or some ideas that you can use for this. When you're ready to post, again, we're going to hit click to launch, create the thread, and type in your information, comment on 2 other people's, and that will be all the discussion boards in this entire class. Okay, going back to learning modules, we'll go back to look at number 2 real quick. On learning module number 2, again we have the objectives. We also have, these are the 3 things that you will be doing for this activity. Those are also listed in the schedule. Everything's the same. PBS activity, this is when you're ready to create your submission. If you do it in Word, like it's asking you to do on most things, you'll upload your file. You won't have to create a submission. You'll upload your file. These are your instruction sheets. Make sure that you use them. And again, click View Rubric, and it shows you this is how you make a 100%, whatever the points value are. This is how you get all your points by making sure that you hit the highest level. Okay? Once I get ready to do this, I upload my file, I click Submit, and I am done. Then I'll move on to the next one. Next one's the same exact idea. I have my 2 activities, my 2 information sheets. I'll look through those, view my rubric to see how I score my points, upload my file, and hit Submit. Same deal with a developmental organization on this one. You have a video to watch. It's 28 minutes. You probably won't have to watch the whole thing to get an idea about what's going on with in the video. And then you'll follow the instructions on your language checklist on the things that you see. Again, I'll upload my files. There's not a rubric there yet, but there will be one by the time this is due. I guarantee I'll have one up the next day or so. And then we'll hit Submit, and off we'll go. And that's how we navigate through the course. If you have any troubles with this, please let me know, and I'll be glad to help.